Question 37, JAMB 2023 past question. Let's see, as pressure is increased, dash, the melting point of the ice decreases. B, the melting point of the ice increases. C, the boiling point of the water increases. D, no change is observed in the melting point of ice or the boiling point of water. Now, let us see what pressure can do in the effect of pressure on boiling point and melting point. First, the same thing that pressure can do on melting point and boiling point, it's what impurity can also do. Now, generally, for the impurity is very simple to know and it is very common. Impurity depress or decreases melting point and increases boiling point. So impurity decreases, or we use the language depress, decreases melting point and increases boiling point. Meaning that if we have a pure substance, the pure substance will melt at its normal melting point and boils at its normal boiling point. Just like pure water pure ice will melt at 0 degrees Celsius and pure water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. But when there is impurity in the water or the ice will melt at lower temperature. Instead of melting at 0 degree, it can melt at something like -5 degrees Celsius. And water too, if there is impurity inside the water will not boil at 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point will be increased to something like 102, 105, in fact 110, depending on the amount of impurity inside. That means we can liken this to pressure too. Therefore, pressure also decreases melting point and increases boiling point. Anytime there is increase in pressure will decrease the melting point and increase the boiling point. So right now, if you look at this option one by one, so let's see whether pressure, the melting point of ice decreases. Of course, the melting point of ice decreases with increase in pressure. So this is actually the answer. Thank you for viewing this.